This is a flip through of 2 junk journal memory books I made for my grandchildren. My granddaughter's is for 2 years of kindergarten, and my grandson's is for preschool and kindergarten. Most of it is self-explanatory. I'm just going to show you some pages that I made, but I will give some explanation when it's necessary. I like to use a variety of colorful papers to make the pages and the pockets, and add all of the artwork and the little projects that I can. I also use various sizes of paper bags to hold things that I don't want to cut up or glue down. This is a larger white envelope that I folded in half. I cut one piece of the side off to make a pocket, and then there is another pocket under the flap. I also like to use lots of colorful washi tape and stickers and let them decorate some of the pages themselves. There are some empty pages because she still has some of her projects and report cards and things at her house, and I keep forgetting to bring the book back to them. The colorful edge there on the right is a piece of selvage from fabric. I use different sizes and shapes of paper for pages just to add a little interest. And I kept the complete story in the back so that she can read it to her children one day. This book is only partially completed because my grandson is still in preschool. It will be large enough for him also to have some kindergarten pages in the back. I have also used lots of washi tape and rickrack and various edging and ribbons and stickers in his book. We still have a lot of work to do in this one. He hasn't had a chance to do any of the decorating himself yet. I don't mind cutting up some of the artwork and putting it in the book, but I do add lots of pockets and bags so that we don't have to cut up all of it to make it fit. I also include lots of photographs and special memories from things that we did that were fun during this year. This is a flip up, and underneath will be a photo of the two of us together. This is the kindergarten section, and as I said, it's only partially decorated because I like to let them do a lot of it themselves. also have included the story in the back of the book so that he can read it when he finishes kindergarten. And later on, he can read it to his children. If you'd like to see a process video on how these are done, I would be happy to make one. Just let me know in the comments. I have braided that little thread through the wires on the edge because the book is so overstuffed that the wires were coming apart. I use a cinch machine to bind the books. Thanks for watching.